Discord website, secure connection failed, SSL error, no cipher overlap problem. This version is optimized for clarity, video narration, and copy-paste guides. Its solution, fix can't access Discord website, secure connection failed. This error happens when your browser or system cannot use modern encryption required by Discord. It is not a Discord ban. Step 1, update your browser. Very important. Outdated browsers cannot connect to Discord securely. Open Firefox, menu Help about Firefox, update to the latest version, restart the browser. If Firefox cannot update, install Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and test Discord there. The // step 2, enable TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3 in Windows. Discord requires modern TLS protocols. 1, press WinR. 2, type you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, go to advanced. 4, make sure these are checked. Use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. 5, click apply, OK. 6, restart your PC. Step 3, reset Firefox security settings. If you use Firefox, 1, type this in the address bar. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2, search and set. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, restart Firefox. Step 4, disable antivirus HTTPS SSL scanning. Many antivirus programs block Discord encryption. Open your antivirus, find web protection HTTPS scanning, disable SSL or HTTPS scanning, restart your PC, common with Avast, AVG, Kaspersky, Bitdefender. Step 5, reset network settings. 1, open command prompt admin. 2, run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, restart PC. Step 6, change DNS, highly effective. Change DNS to Google or Cloudflare. Google DNS, you can see the code in our conversation history. Or Cloudflare, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your browser afterward. Step 7, disable VPN, proxy, or filtered networks. Turn VPN off, disable system proxy, avoid restricted networks, schoolwork, ISP filters. Discord blocks some filtered TLS connections. Step 8, reset Firefox, last resort. If Discord still doesn't open in Firefox, 1, go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2, click refresh Firefox. 3, reopen Discord website. Expected result. After these steps, Discord website opens normally, no SSL or secure connection errors, download page loads correctly. If the problem still exists, tell me. 1, browser name and version. 2, Windows version. 3, antivirus name. 4, does Discord open in Chrome? I'll give you a custom fix for your setup.